Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you 5 technical interview questions asked by Wells Fargo and provide 2 sample answers for each. So if you're preparing for a technical interview with Wells Fargo, pay close attention. Here are 5 technical interview questions often asked at Wells Fargo, along with sample answers for each. Question: explain the concept of object-oriented programming, OOP, and its benefits. Sample answer 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that revolves around the concept of objects, which encapsulate data and behavior. Its main principles are inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. OOP offers several advantages, such as reusability of code, modular structure, easier maintenance, and improved productivity. Sample answer 2. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the creation of objects that have both data and behavior. It promotes concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. The benefits of OOP include code reusability, easier maintenance, better organization of code, and enhanced scalability. Question: what is the difference between abstract classes and interfaces in Java? Sample answer 1. Abstract classes in Java can have both abstract and non-abstract methods and can contain member variables. Interfaces, on the other hand, can only have abstract methods and constants. A class can implement multiple interfaces but can only inherit from one abstract class. Interfaces enable multiple inheritance in Java, while abstract classes provide a way to define common characteristics for subclasses. Sample answer 2. Abstract classes in Java can have method implementations along with abstract methods, whereas interfaces can only have abstract method signatures. Classes can implement multiple interfaces but inherit from only one abstract class. Abstract classes allow code reusability through inheritance, while interfaces provide a way for a class to implement multiple behaviors. Question: explain the concept of normalization in databases. Sample answer 1. Normalization in databases is the process of organizing data to minimize redundancy and dependency. It involves breaking down large tables into smaller, related tables and arranging data to eliminate duplicate information. This helps in reducing data redundancy, ensuring data consistency, and improving data integrity by removing anomalies like insertion, update, and deletion anomalies. Sample answer 2. Normalization in databases is a technique used to design a database schema efficiently. It involves organizing data in such a way that it minimizes redundancy and dependency. Normal forms like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, etc. are used to ensure data integrity, eliminate data redundancy, and prevent anomalies during data manipulation operations. Question: what are some key differences between RESTful APIs and SOAP APIs? Sample answer 1. RESTful APIs use standard HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE to perform operations on resources and generally rely on lightweight data formats like JSON or XML. They are stateless, scalable, and loosely coupled. SOAP APIs, however, use XML as a message format, follow a strict specification, use more bandwidth due to XML, and require a predefined contract, WSDL, for communication. Sample answer 2. RESTful APIs are lightweight, stateless, and use standard HTTP methods for communication. They employ data formats like JSON or XML for data exchange. SOAP APIs, on the other hand, rely on XML-based protocols, follow a rigid structure defined by a WSDL contract, and use different transport protocols apart from HTTP like SMTP and others. Question: what is the difference between authentication and authorization in the context of security? Sample answer 1. Authentication is the process of verifying a user's identity to ensure they are who they claim to be. It involves providing credentials like username and password. Authorization, on the other hand, determines what actions a user can perform after being authenticated. It involves granting or denying access to resources based on the user's permissions. Sample answer 2. Authentication confirms the user's identity through credentials like passwords, biometrics, or tokens. It ensures that the user is genuine. Authorization, on the other hand, involves determining what a user can do after being authenticated. It involves granting access rights and permissions to resources or functionalities based on the user's identity and role. Tailor your responses during an interview to your own experiences and understanding of the concepts discussed. These sample answers aim to provide a framework and understanding of how to approach and structure your response. So there you have it, 5 technical interview questions asked by Wells Fargo with 2 sample answers for each. Remember to prepare thoroughly before your interview and showcase your technical skills with confidence and professionalism. Thanks for watching.